Hello, here have a guide step by step for buy Dasha crypto, okay? Okay, the first step, we are going to the exchange Mexi, okay? Have a link in the comment fixed, okay? Or in description, okay? Go to here, okay? And go to the buy crypto, go to the buy sell quick, okay, and here go to the section of buy, okay, you wait, go to the section of buy, select your currency, okay, and you put, okay, the amount in your currency, and you select USDT and buy USDT, okay, and go to the spot, here, and you go here, okay, and you put the Dasha, okay, and VVAIFU, okay, it's a this, okay, you put this VVAIFU USDT, accept, okay, and here you have, okay, the Dasha, okay, and you put the amount of Dasha, okay, and here you have the total in USDT, and you buy Dasha, okay, in with the USDT, okay, and bye bye.